We have chosen a whole range of climbing plants to suit every spot, from shaded areas to small spaces, and every situation for creating privacy, shade, and color. As with every great garden design, vertical features, such as pergolas, arches, and trellis, will add structural interest and depth, and they're perfect for climbers to scramble over, which is why you might want to add at least 3 of these to your garden ideas. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 6 best climbing plant for your inspiration. Before that, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Okay, here are 6 of the best climbing plant. Number 1. Climbing roses. Roses are indispensable in the garden for looks and scent, and there are a huge range of super fragrant climbing types to choose from, like dark pink Rosa Gertrude Jekyll, or pale pink the Generous Gardener, both of which will repeat flower through summer if deadhead. Climbers can be pruned in late winter. Number 2. Virginia Creeper. If you're looking for a fast climber with bright red autumn color, Virginia Creeper is a great option. Self-clinging aerial roots will cling to any surface such as walls or trees without damaging the structure or plant. The plant can reach 20 to 30 feet tall. Number 3. American Wisteria. American Wisteria can grow 20 to 30 feet long. It is a twining vine. Twining vines climb by twisting their stems or leaf stalks around a support. This type of vine grows well on trellises, arbors, wires, or chain link fences. Number 4. Mandevilla. Mandevillas can grow outdoors as perennial vines in United States Department of Agriculture plant hardiness zones 9 through 11 and are potentially overwintered indoors successfully in cooler areas. Mandevilla does well in greenhouses where moisture levels are high, so if you wish to grow in an apartment or indoors, spray its leaves often with soft water. Number 5. Clematis. One of the best-known climbers amongst vertical plants, covers a small surface area and provides a beautifully colored display. This hardy climber also sometimes bears beautiful seed fluff after flowering, and if you plant in April, you can enjoy its benefits all summer long. Number 6. Black-eyed Susan vines. Black-eyed Susan vines often have bright yellow or orange blooms with dark centers. This is a tropical flower native to Africa that can grow from 3 to 8 feet tall in a single season, making it perfect for a small trellis. That's it. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like this video, click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have any notifications turned on, so you never miss those upcoming videos. And see you next time.